Hey y'all, welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm, and in that order. And we're kind of like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. So y'all just come on in, grab a seat, take a look, and have a listen, because you don't want to miss a thing. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video of Hey Gmaw, what's for supper? Tonight I'm gonna be trying to make hamburger steaks with onion and mushroom gravy, mashed potatoes, glazed carrots, and some corn, using the air fryer, instant pot, and microwave. See? Okay, so let's go in here and let's get started. In the air fryer, I've already got 2 hamburger steaks pre-seasoned, ready to cook. I'm going to cook them half on one side, then I'm going to open up the drawer. I'm going to flip them over and cook them on the other side, okay? While those do their thing, I've got some oil heating up in my Instant Pot on the saute mode. I have chopped up some onions and mushrooms. I'm fixing to saute them first. I am sauteing these because I don't really like raw mushrooms and raw onions in my gravy. I just don't like raw mushrooms at all. So that's why I'm going to saute these first. I just added some seasonings. I've got onion powder, garlic powder, and some ranch seasoning. I don't even like to smell mushrooms cooking, y'all, so I got to mask that smell. Okay, so I'm going to add my seasoning. I need to also add some salt and pepper. I'm going to do that now. While that's going, y'all, I cut up some leftover carrots just into rounds because I'm going to use them up. I am cooking these in the microwave to get them soft first, okay? This is going to be our glazed baby carrots. This is going to take anywhere from 18 to 20 minutes. All right, y'all, these have sweated down to like I like them. Now we're going to start adding the flour as my thickener. Okay. Ooh, I got my hands all floury. Look at that. Now we're going to whisk this to make the roux, y'all. Ooh, let me do it with this hand. To make the roux to where it can start getting thick. See your roux? Don't let it stick or your Instant Pot will go into a burn notice or a hot notice, okay? So don't let that stick. That's thickening up. Now I'm going to take some leftover beef broth that we had from a chuck roast the other night, okay? And we are going to let this hang out until it starts thickening, y'all. Okay? And this is going to make our mushroom and onion smothered gravy. Just let that cook right there on saute and it'll start thickening up. If you need to add a little more flour, you want it thicker, you want it thinner, add as much flour as you want, okay? Because we're also going to be putting this over mashed potatoes too. So we're going to let this cook right here. All right, y'all. Y'all want to keep this stirred. See how it's thickening up? Look at that. See how it's thickening? You want to keep this stirred because you don't want it to start sticking to the bottom. I'm going to give it just a few more minutes, because I want it just a little thicker than that, okay? Y'all see that steam? Okay, just keep stirring it. All right, y'all, gravy's done. Y'all see that thick gravy? In the Instant Pot, okay? Just on the saute mode. I went ahead and took it out so it wouldn't cook any longer and get stuck, so I'm just letting it rest right here. I will put this in a bowl in just a minute. The hamburger steaks are almost done. Let's go back over here to the carrots. All right, y'all, to the baby carrots, I have added butter and brown sugar. I'm going to give it a little toss right quick. Y'all, it's hard to do this one-handed. I'm going to put this back in the microwave, let the butter and brown sugar incorporate, and cook with the carrots, okay? I want glaze, not soup, okay? So I'm going to let that butter melt with that brown sugar and put it back in the microwave. Y'all, there's your glazed baby carrots in the microwave. I'm going to set them aside. We're going to start working on the mashed potatoes. All right, y'all, the mashed potatoes, y'all, when I'm traveling, I have to opt for convenience sometimes. And instead of this being the little packet that is only a certain amount of serving and you just add water, these I chose to get the box this time, and I can use them for other meals, but I also get to add more things, and I can play around with the amount because the measurements are on the back of here, okay? So I can make as little or as much as I want. And I get to make these with, I've already got water in here, I've got milk, a big old pat of butter. I'm fixing to add some salt and pepper and some ranch seasoning, and I'm gonna heat this up in the microwave. Y'all remember my little mini loaves of my bread that I made from my 5-minute no-knead bread dough? I took out some of the slices out of the freezer. We're gonna toast these up in the air fryer with some butter and have that with our meal tonight. All right, y'all, here we go with the mashed potatoes. Y'all, sometimes I use instant potatoes at home. And believe it or not, y'all, instant potatoes do not have as many carbs. Go figure, I don't know. All right, I'm gonna play around, y'all, because I'm eyeballing this. I've done this a million times. I'm just gonna keep adding the potato flakes until I get the consistency that I want. Get them as thick as I want or as thin as I want. I don't want them soupy, so we're gonna have to add a little more. Okay, so see, I can add as much as I want or as little as I want. Now, dear hubby loves mayonnaise in his mashed potatoes. So I will be adding 2 dollops of mayonnaise, which is what he requests. Okay, this is thickening up. I'm gonna let it sit for just a minute. Yeah, I kind of like that consistency. Now I'm gonna add 2 dollops of mayonnaise and some chives, y'all. At this point, y'all, you can add bacon bits, you can add cheese, you can add anything you want to mashed potatoes to kick them up a notch. So I'm gonna add these 2. It's thickened up just a little more. I'm just gonna scoop from the top so I don't get like potato 2 dollops. There we go. And I'm gonna add some chives. I want the chives inside, and then I want them on top. All right, so I'm just gonna give this a stir, y'all. You can put garlic powder, onion powder, ranch seasoning. You can spice them up a little bit if you want to, and put some Tony Chachere's, whatever. Oh, that's coming together nicely, y'all. All right. So, I'm going to put some on the top now, make them look pretty. There is the mashed potatoes in the microwave, okay? Y'all, we're just waiting on the hamburger steaks now, okay? We're just waiting on those. It's out there fixing to be done. All right, y'all, hamburger steaks are done. Don't they look scrumptious? I drained out the grease, washed out my air fryer basket, put my little rack back in the bottom. Now I'm going to toast up my bread. While the bread is toasting, I'm going to be heating up the cream corn in the microwave. Y'all, that's 3 things I have fixed in the microwave, okay? Just a can of Del Monte cream corn. We're going to heat it up in the microwave. Y'all, there is a complete meal on our table. Mostly done in the air fryer and the microwave. Y'all, I'm fixing to chow down. Go enjoy your creations and play with your food. I will see y'all in the next video.